YouTube people, my name's Seth and this is Eric. Today we're gonna try to do some sort of catch and cook, hopefully like a 13-inch smallmouth or a bluegill, really anything. We just got off work and we have like an hour, and we're just gonna see what happens. All I'm throwing, if you can see it, is a brush hog that's Texas rigged. This is a local creek of ours and it's pretty flooded right now. So, and there's a gravel bed right over there, so should definitely catch something, and we'll let you know. Yeah, just as we thought, it's raining, but that doesn't mean we're gonna stop, because we've been wanting to do this video for a while now, so we'll be fishing in the rain. Okay, so I was throwing the brush hog and we weren't getting any bites, but it's also fall, so Eric put on a square bill and caught a smallmouth. It wasn't even close to 12 inches, but that's a good sign, so that's what we're going to keep throwing from now on. That's money, bro. So this was 12.5 inches. We do not recommend keeping smallmouth like all the time whatsoever because they take forever to grow. But like one, it's raining so hard right now, but one every now and then is not bad. All right, so we're gonna clean this dude up. It's raining, so I'm gonna do this really fast. All right, so we're just gonna put a little olive oil in here. About probably a tablespoon. Get a nice stick of butter. Yeah, yay much. These are the fillets that came off that smallmouth. We're gonna wash these off. Nice. I'm gonna throw the butter in. Hopefully without the paper. All right, let's go wash these fillets off. Literally swimming 3 minutes ago.
Okay, so we got salt here, sea salt, bacon bits. Bacon's good with everything. I got a little chili pepper. I like my food spicy, not too spicy though. Lemon pepper. And then finally, garlic powder.
Alright, well that pan is definitely hot, so we're gonna get a little bit of this salt. Let's rub it on. Dude, everything is so wet. We're just gonna do both sides real quick of just pretty much everything. Garlic is definitely the best.
Absolutely.
Then, what was that?
Lemon pepper.
Yeah, lemon pepper. Super good. Especially on like trout and stuff.
That's chili pepper.
Put a little bit of chili. One side. And then more garlic on the other side. That's lemon pepper. Pour more garlic on this side. And then a little bit. Do like 3 minutes on each side. It all just come together.
Nice, bro. That's a nice catch.
It's almost dark.
Right in time.
We're gonna throw some bacon bits in here just cause why not? It's already dark, so might as well throw some bacon bits in there.
Yeah, I eat bacon in my sleep. Man, that smells so good.
Yeah, get a close up on this. About one more minute and she's done.
I've never smelled anything better.
This smells good.
Yeah.
Super hot, but if you guys can look at that, super flaky, super white meat. Freaking perfect.
Wow, yeah. Nice. All right, so here we go. That was bacon. Oh, dude. I'm just gonna go for this monster piece. Here we go.
God, man, I wish it was not as dark outside.
Wow, dude. I just swallowed that. I forgot to chew it. It was so good. Wow.
See, people talk all the time how bass isn't good. I know I'm not saying go out and catch a whole bunch of bass and have a stringer full of bass and eat them all the time. Here's the rain. Because that's not what it's about. It's just keeping a couple that are within your state's limits and just eating them now and again because they're super good. And it helps. If you follow the regulations, they're there for a reason. So that's all we got for you guys today because it is coming down now and we got to get home. Our girlfriends are probably wondering where we're at. So, all right. Until next time, guys. We'll see you later.